In every world, creation begins with a spark. From the deepest dungeons to the grandest castles in the sky, imagination takes form at our hands. We craft the tools of adventurers, the treasures of collectors, the dreams of builders. 3D printed worlds for dungeons and dragons, elegant miniatures for dollhouses and model makers, engines of wonder for cars, ships, and soaring planes. Every engraving, every carved line, every custom design, a masterpiece, born from your passion and ours. This is more than craftsmanship. This is magic made real. Welcome to your next great creation, Rocket Grain Studios, where imagination takes shape.